WebEx is UNLV's web conferencing tool, which allows instructors to hold virtual live meetings, classes, or office hours. Faculty can deliver lectures with or without PowerPoint, share applications and demonstrate problem solving, and even conduct polls in class. Recorded WebEx sessions can be watched by students. Instructors should utilize WebEx via WebCampus. Graduate assistants must go to unlv.webex.com to schedule virtual meetings. To use in Canvas, you should first log into WebCampus and go to the course in which you'll use WebEx. From your course, click on Settings and go to the Navigation tab. Drag WebEx from inactive to active. Remember to click Save once you're done.